So we know that you have good pre-rolls, but do you know that your pre-rolls taste good? Now you can ensure both are true with our new flavored wood tip blunt tubes, available in both sweet sugar and a delicious vanilla that your customers are going to love. Welcome back to Custom Cones USA, home of the pre-roll experts and your spot for everything pre-roll. Today we're talking about an easy way to add some flavor to your pre-roll line, our premium flavored wood tip blunt tubes. Made with our 100% European sourced hemp wraps, these 109mm blunt tubes are available in two different widths, 9mm and 11mm. The 9mm will fit between 1 and 1.25 grams of flour, depending on the moisture content and particle size, while the 11mm will hold between 2 and 2.5 grams. And the addition of our premium wood filter makes this a step up from every other pre-rolled blunt tube on the market. Our hemp wraps are slow burning with a slightly earthy flavor that complements any flower and are always tobacco and THC-free. And while they are designed to fit standard cone filling machines like a knockbox, they will fill easier and better in a King Kone machine with a tube attachment or a fill and fold machine with a tube tray. This also helps save time when switching between product lines. And of course, like all Custom Cones USA products, they are tested to the highest standards in the industry for pesticides, heavy metals, and microbials, so you can be sure that your blunt cones are as clean as the flour that you put in them. Our wood filter tips are made with American birch and have a smooth, natural feel on the lips. But aside from just signaling a premium smoke, our wood filters block any particles and Scooby snacks from getting through and help cool the smoke so that your customers can take even bigger hits. Plus, for these blunt tubes, we've infused the wood filters themselves with a touch of flavor so that the taste stays on your lips and never overpowers the flower like other quote-unquote flavored hemp wraps. Flavored hemp wraps are usually sprayed with the flavors, which have a great smell, but you don't really taste the flavor when smoking. These should really be called scented hemp wraps. We actually infuse the wood tips with the flavors so you can really taste it on your lips when smoking. We leave the hemp wraps all natural and unflavored for the best smoking experience possible. We have these special flavored wood filter tip blunt tubes available in two options, sugar and vanilla. The sugar flavor adds just a hint of sweetness to the lips, while the vanilla flavored wood tips deliver a satisfying and delicious dose of vanilla with every toke. It's hard to pick a favorite, and your customers will love both. And of course, these flavored wood filter tip blunt tubes are fully customizable with cigar bands to keep your branding front and center. We can change the color of the band or foil, add embossing, make a special die cut shape for the brand, or even pick a glossy or matte texture. And as always, 4-color offset printing is included standard, or you can upgrade to foil or spot UV finishes. So contact the pre-roll experts today and ask about our blunt tubes with premium flavored wood tips, available in both sugar and vanilla. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and remember to ring the bell and subscribe to stay up to date with all things pre-roll. We'll see you next time.